Hello everyone, this is TGCuber. Welcome back to another video. Today I will be attempting to magnetize the MF3RS2. So I've got the cube here and the magnets here. So just a bit of backstory. I have before magnetized the Volk using the Speeds Cube Shop magnetic kit. It didn't turn out amazingly because it was my first try. Some magnets are opposing to each other, so they retract from each other. Sometimes are good, but in general it wasn't very great. So I've decided to get this budget cube. I've just got it today. I've had the magnets for a while. I've just been waiting for it. So I've done a few solves on this already just to break it in slightly. It's a very good cube actually. It might be slightly tight, which isn't the best thing, but it is pretty good. Now my friend Zetlon has the Cubicle Labs magnetic one of this, which I have tried, and it's really good. So that was one of the reasons I wanted to do this. So yeah, okay, so the magnets are 5x1 N42s. I'm pretty sure that's all the Cubicle uses, and it seems like the best, and it seems so what a lot of people are recommending. So these are the ones I tried out, and hopefully they'll work. So yeah, I'll get back to you when I've started. Okay, so I'm back, and I've just started to disassemble the puzzle. I'll probably be using time lapses for some of this, so yeah, this is just the start. Just by the way, I am using a mixture between DM cubing and Sean Moran's tutorial to magnetize it, so I'll probably link that in the description if you want to magnetize this cube for yourself. So yeah, let's just get back to taking these pieces apart. I have disassembled all the corner pieces, and now it's onto these edge pieces. Okay, so we have just disassembled all the pieces, and we have got the first two pieces magnetized, as you can see here. So it's going pretty well at the moment. So we're going to need to make one of these, a corner and edge piece connected, for all 22, I think, other pieces. So the process is pretty simple. All you do is get one corner piece with a magnet on the end, glue that in, then put another edge next to it without the magnet in it, put glue on the edge, and then let the magnet go onto the glue, and then repeat that. By the way, if you want to do this, this isn't really a tutorial, but I'll probably link this as well. If you want to, the glue we use and the glue I've seen people use is this Gorilla Glue. It's really good. As I said, I'll probably link it. We found this just in a local shop, so that's where you'll probably find it as well. So yeah, so far so good. And one small other tip, you can use just like a cocktail stick to just smudge the glue around to be a bit more accurate if your fingers are wobbly or they're just a bit big for, to be in with the magnet. So yeah, that's my progress so far on magnetizing the MF3RS2. So yeah, let's keep on going. Okay, we have now assembled all these edge and corner pieces, so now we're just going to assemble the cube like this, and then I'll just lube it at the end. Okay, so as you can see, I have just assembled the cube without the core, just to make sure it's all good, and I'm pretty sure it's all fine. Okay, so now I'm just going to disassemble and put it around and lube this. Okay, so now we've assembled it all from one piece, and it's time to lube it. Okay, so I'll probably lube it a bit more, maybe on one of the corners, but for now I think I'm just going to stick to lubing this one piece. So let's do it. So the two lubes I have are Silk and D&M. I also have Maru Lube, but that's not as good as these two. So I'm just going to put some Silk over this track here. And yep, that should be good. As you, hopefully you can see it there. And I think I'm going to put it on the other side as well, just a tiny drop. Just because this one piece is fueling all the lube for the whole thing, so that's the Silk. Since D&M is more of a piece lube, I'm just going to spread quite a lot of this on here. So I'm just going to put it up and down this line here, and then up along here as well. Okay, there we go, that's the D&M. And now I'm going to just put this back in. Okay, so now I'm going to get into first turns. I'm really excited, so let me know. Oh my. Wow, that is, okay, maybe I put a bit too much lube in, but that is actually, honestly, like, the magnets, I'm pretty sure every single one is, I'm just trying every single turn I can here. It's so soft, and it's just, oh, there's a bit of spring noise here, I'll eliminate that, and then end slices. Wow, okay, this has the potential to become my main over this. Oh my gosh, it is. This cube is very, very good. So I'm probably just going to play around for a bit and then maybe record some solves. And oh wow, it's very good for one-handed because the magnets are, they're kind of noticeable, but at the same time, I don't know how to explain it, but they're kind of light and the cube can glide, but they're still very noticeable, so they do add that stability. So wow, this is an amazing cube. As I said, I'm probably just going to do some solves on it, and then I'll probably just do a voiceover with like an average of 5 or something. So yeah, this has been the kind of tutorial, kind of not. So yeah, get ready for the voiceover.
For around 1 day now, and I've done maybe 1 to 200 solves on it, and this cube is really good. So compared to my Ganner SM, which you have to keep in mind is about 4 times the price of this, it contends just as well. The turning is really good. The magnet adds stability as they normally do. They're kind of on the medium, so they're not too light or too strong, but I think they're really good ones. So yeah, I'm not really sure which one is going to be my main at the moment. I'm edging towards this one right now, but I'll have to think about it for a bit more. So I've been averaging roughly the same amount of time on both 3x3s. So today I've got a sub 9, which is my second best ever solve. I've been getting numerous sub 12 average of 5s. I think I've broken my PB average of 100, which is 13.3. I've had sub 13 average of 50s, and it's just been really good in general. So yeah, this has been a really good cube. As I said before, if you want to do this yourself, there are links in the description to other people who've done this. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and bye.